poets! I'm back with some of my students, Speedy, Echo, and Anne, and we have some new poems to discover today. And today, you're going to help me write a poem and then write one of your own. Are you ready? All right, let's dig in. Check it out. This first poem you see here on your screen, and it's also in your slides, is called The Coyote. So, this is by Douglas Florian. And remember, yesterday's were by Shel Silverstein, so we're exploring a new poet today. Now, a coyote is like a wild dog that looks like a wolf. I want you to close your eyes as I read and picture this in your head. The coyote. I prowl, I growl. My howl is throaty. I love a vowel, for I am a coyote. All right, open your eyes and take a look at this poem. Look at the words I just read and look at the way that the poet writes them. I'll read it one more time as you're looking. I prowl, I growl. My howl is throaty. I love a vowel, for I am a coyote. What did you imagine when I read this poem? Yes, I see you raising your hand, Anne. Well, I picture a coyote hunting for its next meal. Oh, yeah, because Douglas said he's prowling and growling. Thank you for sharing that. Speedy, yes. I'm imagining a coyote howling. Ayoo! Ayoo! I'm scared of coyotes. Thank you, Speedy. And oh, baby Echo, you're very wise. Say that again for everybody to hear. I noticed that he wrote the word coyote at the end so that it looks like the sounds a coyote makes, kind of stretching it out. And that's why he said a vowel before. Okay, thank you, Echo. Let's see the next poem and see what Douglas Florian writes about with the tiger. Close those eyes for me to read so you can visualize. I am a cat. Come hear me purr. I've many stripes upon my fur. I speed through forests like a blur. I hunt at night. I'm a tiger. Now open your eyes and look at the way Douglas set up this poem while I read it one more time. I am a cat. Come hear me purr. I've many stripes upon my fur. I speed through forests like a blur. I hunt at night. I am a tiger. So what were you picturing in your minds at home? Yeah, and take a look at the text. Does everybody see how the R sound at the end of each one is really stretched out? Purr, fur, blur, tiger. He put tons of R's. Why do you think Douglas Florian wrote the poem this way? What do you guys think? Well, I think that it helps you really hear the sound that the tiger makes. I agree. It's the same for the word blur. Adding those R's helps you picture the tiger going so fast that he's hard to see. He's a blur. In addition to what Baby Echo said, I think he put all the R sounds in so that it would sound like a tiger growling at the end. Yeah, what does a tiger sound like? Grrr. Yeah. So just like Shel Silverstein did some interesting things with words and fun things in Boa Constrictor, so did Douglas Florian. So poets a lot of times repeat words or sounds or spell things or move them in funny ways just to make their poems fun to say and hear. That's one of the cool things about poetry. So, are you ready to help me write a poem? Phew, because I really need your help. So, we're going to write poems about animals today. The tiger started with the line, I am a cat. What other animals could we write about today? We're going to do a poem that begins the same way as the tiger. We'll use that as our model. So let's take a look. If we did, I am a, can you help me with some animals? What ideas do you have? Monkey. Okay. Alligator. Okay. So I'm making a list that's going to help us choose what we want to write about from. Lion. Okay. What ideas do you have at home? Wolf? Keep saying them and I'll write them. Oh, bunny rabbit, puppy, kitten. Awesome. So we need to now come up with which topic we want to write about. I think I want to go with monkey. I like that idea. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's all close our eyes and imagine what we think of when we think of a monkey. Imagine you're starting a poem. I am a monkey. What does a monkey sound like? What does it look like? What kind of words could we include? Sound like and look like. All right, open your eyes and I'm going to start it out. I am a monkey. What did you picture it looking like? Oh, having brown fur. Okay. I have brown fur. And I kind of just want to do one line each, right? If this was a story, I would have just written it like this. I have brown fur. But instead, I went down and made it a different line because I wanted my poem to look kind of like Shel Silverstein and Douglas Florian's. They did it more like this. And I don't want any space between mine. No, I don't want those thingies. Let me get my spacing out of there. There we go. Okay. What else did you picture for the monkey? Oh, he has a tail. I have a, what does the tail look like? It's like kind of squiggly. Loopy. That's a great word. It's a fun word to say. It makes my poem fun. I have a loopy tail. And what sound? We did what it looks like. Let's add some sounds. Screech. Screech. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to spell sounds. We just do the letters that we hear. And what do you picture your monkey doing? Okay. I swing through the trees in the rainforest. And then what do you picture? Let's start to end it. I grab a banana and munch. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Yum. All right, let's read our poem. I'll put a title. I am a monkey. I am a monkey. I have brown fur. I have a loopy tail. Screech, screech. I swing through the trees in the rainforest. I grab a banana and munch. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Yum. Okay, thank you for helping me with that monkey foam. It was so fun. It's your turn now to pick any animal you want and write a poem. You should include what it looks like, what it sounds like, how it moves, and where it lives. Have fun and good luck with your poem. I can't wait to read it.